Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Lara Mardi Ilham, a major nautical department level 2. I'm from Amin IP Makassar.
My name is Awala Sarang Fadila, the major nautical level 2. I'm from Amin IP Makassar. Thank you.
We need to upgrade our ballast water treatment system. The old one is not effective now.
I agree the new system is much more efficient and environmental friendly.
But it is also more expensive than the old system.
Yes, but compliance with regulation is bigger now. We must choose the best solution.
You're right. Let's check which system is the most suitable for our ship.
We need to upgrade our ballast water treatment system. They also must be not effective enough.
I agree. The new system is much more efficient and environmentally friendly.
But it's also more expensive than the old system.
Yes, but compliance with regulation is stricter now. We must choose the best solution.